In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important camera settings that you have to do, and you do it like once a year. Once a year, okay? Sometimes you may have to adjust it later, but typically you only touch this one camera setting once a year. And we're going to show you what it is. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert and music photographer in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome to Max Concert Photography, where we talk everything concert photography related, and we talk a little bit of regular photography too. One of the most important settings on your camera you do once a year, and I would probably bet that 90-95% of all photographers really don't even have a clue this thing exists. But what it is, it's installing your copyright information into the metadata for each of your shots. And you go on, metadata? Concert photography? What? You go on, information? Copyright? I don't know. But anyway, it's very, very important. And I've got a listing here of some of the things in your metadata that you need to think about. This is what metadata includes. It includes the file name, the date it was created, the date it was modified, how large it is, your date shot, the time zone and location, what mode you shot in, RAW or JPEG. It shows the artist name, that's you, the artist name, that's real important, and the copyright in which that belongs to. So in a lot of cases, that copyright may just be your name. But in our case, it goes to Southwest Graphic Arts, and that tells who actually holds the copyright. It tells the device it was made, the lens that was used, and it tells the focal length of the lens, where it was set. So if it's a zoom, it could be anywhere from 80 to 200, or whatever the zoom range is. But it shows where in that zoom range it was shot. It shows what you had for dynamic area AF and single point, 9 point, 256 point, whatever the autofocus that you're using. It shows the aperture, your shutter speed, the exposure mode, your exposure compensation, what your metering was, and what your ISO sensitivity is. Wow, that's a whole lot, man. I mean, I'm telling you, that is a whole lot. It also shows white balance, color space, noise reduction, a whole number of things. But the real important thing at this time of year is setting in the artist name and a copyright. So what I do is I set mine up with my name on all my cameras, and then I set it up with the company name, which is Southwest Graphic Arts here in Dallas, Texas. And we put the copyright date. So when we shoot anything in the new year, it's got my name as the artist that shot it, and it's got my name and my company name for the copyright embedded in the photograph itself. Okay, this is the information from one of the pictures that I've taken, one of the shots. And you can see here in the metadata all the information that is contained here. But you can also see who took the photograph, when the copyright, who holds the copyright, and you can see the date it was shot and the size of the file. There's a lot of information here. Now, how you go about doing the change to your metadata for your copyright and your information varies from camera manufacturer to camera manufacturer, as well as from camera to camera. I've got a Sony ZV-E10 in which we're shooting this video on, and I still haven't found out how to do it yet, if it's even there or not. So it may not actually be there at all. So my suggestion is to go ahead and get your owner's manual out if you have one. Sony doesn't put an owner's manual with their cameras anymore. I know, it's kind of a pain in the ass. But anyway, go ahead. You can go online for Sony's, and you can take a look and get the owner's manual online for Sony's. Canon's does have a way of doing it. At least the Canon equipment we have does. Please check your new modern stuff to see. But each one of the procedures for doing this is different from brand to brand. I know in the upper end Sony cameras that do have it, you go to the red menu and then it tells you to select, but you can find that information to put that stuff in. Do it the first of the year. You don't have to worry about it anymore for the rest of the year unless you change companies or you buy a company or you do something like that, or you change your name. You might get married. Who knows? Change your name. So, but set that up, and if somebody has a question about who shot the photograph, when it was shot, where it was shot, what it was shot with, and who owns the copyright, guess what, Bubba? You got it. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you this next year. Bye.